Hey guys, welcome to BONOSS Wheel Spacers on the video channel. I'm Grace. In this video, let's talk about our 1-inch wheel spacers safe on your Mercedes. The special design of this BONOSS active cooling wheel spacer is the petal-shaped grooves on the back. Because the rotation of the spacer makes the external cold airflow efficiency uncontinuously inside the spacer. While cold air flowing, the heat of the braking system is taken away, thereby achieving the effect of active cooling, improving braking efficiency and reducing overheating of brakes. This technique maintains the brakes at normal temperature to ensure wheel spacers safety and driving security. If you have any questions about the wheel spacers, leave your comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day!